Hello everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 154 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick. I have to get back to work, but before I harvest a lot of the figs, I'm going to show you my Violette de Bordeaux. I'll show a later video on this. The problem with figs where I live, they grow like weeds. So they like to grow really tall, and all the figs will be in the height of the tree. And I'll show another video too of the cadota like that. But what I decided with this fig tree is to grow it like a grapevine. So you can see all the stakes. So now I have a 15-foot tall tree, but it's only 3 feet tall to harvest. This is as far as I'm gonna grow it. You can see another line I made over here. So you can see all the beautiful grape. Well, that's when you know the figs are ready. Nature will always tell you. So I'll show you this one here. Oh, that just fell off. That's not ready. It's almost ready, but it'll be ready on the counter. So that right here, and I'll link up another video where I found a study from the NIH showing that this, basically this white latex that's dripping out, which will burn my hand in a little bit here, can kill or cure warts. I'll link up the video and the study on that as well. So you can see all the figs. Isn't that amazing? So a 15-foot tall tree, but it's only 3 feet tall. So I'm gonna cut everything back down. Cut everything back down or bend it down, either one. So I don't have to climb a tree to get the harvest. So you can tell that there's not much figs in the lower end of the tree, but when the tree gets taller and taller, the figs start producing. That was the problem with these fig trees. And I have a cadota right here that I'm trying to bend, as you can see. And then I have a black mission over there, which I'm not gonna bend. I'm just gonna keep short, very short. All right, everybody. Happy gardening. I gotta wash my hands now. Bye.